Which one? The old one?
Aye. Yeah. So this is the seat belt. It's a Transit Custom 2018 with the middle seat belt and the passenger side. It's 2 seats. This is the middle one. Yeah, that's what we're. Couldn't find any videos about this on YouTube.
Got to loosen the seat, the whole seat.
Right, you've got to take the 4 bolts off the seat and loosen the seat to do this job. So these bolts that keep the seat in, we used a T55 Torx bit. So basically, you've got to take the chair out. Let's take this one.
I know, I'm trying to get it clear.
Take these bolts out, the big ones. There's 2 on this side of the seat and 2 on the opposite side. Okay. Take off this cover on the top. I'm doing the back to front of the video because obviously it's all been put in now before we decided to do the video. That goes in there, you'll take that one off. So little Torx bits go in there. And then you've got the other bit that sits on the top of the other bit we just had on. So that's what you start with that. Loosen off the nut here for this bit. And the tricky bit is under here. So we've took off this. He'd clipped the back. It's been clipped back in now. We unclip this.
The other side's not clipped on.
Oh, this is not clipped on properly. So you unclip this basically, and then we'll unclip this again, Dan. Just for the video. 2 seconds. Unclip this. Just got a screwdriver under there. And then under here is the back of the seatbelt. There's one nut keeping it in. It's up there, under there. Okay. Yeah, you've got to slide your hand up here, and there's like a plastic track underneath, and the belt. Slide your hand up there, you'll feel the belt, and it just slides out that plastic bit. It's not fixed in or anything. And then there's a cut in the top of here for you. I'm going to keep that phone there a second. You got it? Get in the front of it so you can see the slit.
Yeah.
And then I'll just sort of slide through like that. Make sure you've got that facing the right way when you put it in. And that's basically it. But the tricky bit was getting this bit. If you can take the nut off there, that little washer, we were going to pry it off, but we just left it on. Feeding that through this material here, it's tight. It's really tight at the back. Getting this to sort of slide through. So we used a piece of plastic, a plastic paddle, and just basically, this is not a plastic paddle, but something like this, just to jemmy the material back. Gives us a little bit of breathing space in the back, and you get on the back there, Dan. Just like that to help us. To help us get that nut through there, and the seatbelt sort of catch through there. Okay.